Hi guys. I was I was came from Balaktas on English. So guys, we've reached home and it's raining out here. So we're gonna go inside before it's getting too bad. But look at this. Yo, it just went right here. What is going on? Well guys, I know that some things are not okay, but at least at this car. Yeah, but this is my car. Yeah, it's we buy it in September 1, 2025. What? I forgot. It's September 4. Look at it. Isn't it nice? Yo, this is great. Me and my car. Yeah. Ayan.
Parang sunog.
Oh my god. Well, my car looks good, but on that car, it doesn't look good. Oh my god. But my car is good. It's a little bit fast. It's at 220 kilometers per hour. Yeah. Well, always we're at the door.
And then niya rin kinain.
So we're here outside.
Yung kay Thor, kinain ko kasi nangihinaan naman ako. Kay Marky hinapi ko lang. Hindi ko na rin naman matiis yung lang.
So we're outside. We cannot open this door because it's locked. Look.
40 pesos na lang yung isa.
See? It cannot open.
Paminsan-minsan lang ako kumakain ng mga pinang.
So my ate is gonna get the key of this home. My home right here. Because we're at cellar. Because we're sellers. We have rices. So look at this. So look at this. Right here is the rices. So yeah guys, this is the sofa. This is the table. This is the 3 electric fans. Over here the bedroom. Look. 3, 2, 1. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yo guys. I was thinking about that, but I cannot understand that my brain is slammed. Ugh. We just came from the rain. What just happened? What just happened? Just kidding. We got some lights. We got some 4 lights. So
Ito mga uniform na ilagay mo natin sa ano.
did you see my eyes? Right here and right here. Yeah, that was crazy. So I gotta be right back. So guys, I was thinking about it, and this is the light. But you cannot see it, but look, it's right there. Can you see it? Right there. Oh, there's my ate. Look there. Look there. Can you see him? Can you see her? You can? He's drinking Mountain Dew. What? You little son of a...
Hoy! Bad yan, ha? Ikaw, ha? Bad yan. That's bad.
Hey, this is the measuring line. So what is the leisure length of the phone and the width? Yeah. Let's see. This is 16 centimeters. How about here? It's 8 centimeters. Yeah. 16 to 8 is 24. That's 24 centimeters of all. And it makes... Wait. I forgot it's 32. It's 32 because a rectangle has 4 sizes. Like the square, yeah? So we're learning about math, but I'm talking about size, but I don't know how to be good at scientist. Yeah, boys. Yeah, guys, but meow, meow, meow. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Get that. Meow, 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 meow.
Oo, eh.
Oh. Why did just open and close for like 1 hour and 30 minutes? Are you kidding me? So look at this right here. Oh, this is the wrong place. Yeah, can you see it? I've lost one. I've lost one of these. Can you see? Oh my god. So I'll be right back, guys. I gotta check the bus. I mean the outside to get today, guys. But I'm going to speak Filipino. Kamusta? Kamusta kayo dyan? Yeah, just like that. Wee! Ito yung cellphone ko. Are you guys okay? I'm fine. So I'm gonna end this video. And I'm going to make a second video now. So I'm gonna send it in YouTube. Bye!